It's about providing capability to soldiers.
We really took a strategic approach to our partners and our suppliers of how we're going to get the best product to the end customer.
Team Lynx is enhancing the defense industrial base because it's providing basically more options for the U.S. Army.
How we're really enhancing the defense industrial base is by bringing in competition.
American Rheinmetall formed Team Lynx starting back in 2020 to bring together the best parts of what was offered out there into one team to offer what was then the Obsolete Manned Fighting Vehicle program, which eventually became the XM30 program. So we've been working very closely with our 5 teammates ever since then.
We have incredible partners across the United States that are really helping us bring a future combat vehicle into the hands of soldiers. But from a defense industrial base, without competition, people just don't get involved. And what I see now is the Army willing to take that chance on a non-incumbent. It's bringing so many more partners to the table, getting them involved and getting them access to be able to play in this type of arena.
Competition is always going to make for a better overall product. So by having more options within the defense industrial base, it also allows us to be more flexible, right? And to be able to bring in more innovation to the products that are going to go into the hands of the soldiers.
American Rheinmetall is fully vertically integrated. So we do have all of our design capabilities in our corporate headquarters, but we have manufacturing capabilities across Michigan, Ohio, and Maine, but across all of our manufacturing processes, across all of our products and product lines, we have incredible partners.
Textron Systems out of Slidell, Louisiana. They provide a manufacturing capability to American Rheinmetall that we did not have organically at the time. Next major teammate was Allison Transmission, obviously a world-class provider of military transmissions, currently in the M1 tank and the Boxer fighting vehicle over in Germany and other places in Europe, as well as many trucks across the fleet. Andrew brings a lot of unique capabilities with their Lattice software that have enabled us to develop a command and control system that really amplifies the ability of the 2-soldier crew to operate effectively. Raytheon is bringing in its world-class capabilities in terms of sensors and effectors, predominantly looking at our multi-mission launcher system that will provide us the ability to use multiple different missiles on the vehicle rather than just one. L3Harris brings a wealth of experience in terms of open systems architecture, working with digital engineering and communications equipment that have proven critical to the success of what will become our next fighting vehicle.
MBSE or model-based systems engineering has been really the driving factor in how we've done our digital engineering. It's the thread that is through our architecture and all of our requirements. Another benefit of the model-based systems engineering approach, or even the digital design aspect of it, is it's not just going to create a better product now. It'll create a better product 10 years from now, 20 years from now. That's the modular aspect of it. MOSA, or modular open systems approach, has been a game changer, in my opinion. Even though the concept isn't any different than what probably the Army has traditionally tried to do, which is their ability to change different things throughout it. The fact of the matter is, a lot of that has remained or been retained within just the 2 OEMs that were the OEM of that vehicle, that they really drive how that happens. You bring in the competition, it's not just the OEM, it could be industry leaders that happen to have the latest or best widget. They can also provide that within the modular systems approach architecture.
I'm in supply chain, so that's kind of in my wheelhouse. We need to compete everything, not just to get the best product, but for the taxpayers in general. Anything that we can compete provides a better quality product from a technical standpoint and then from a cost standpoint as well. So that really has helped the defense supply base diversify where they're putting their investments and what they're willing to do from an overall lead time perspective, cost perspective, and self-investment perspective.
I joined American Rheinmetall Vehicles back then in January 6th of 2020. I was employee number 6. Short 5 years later, I'm one of a team of 1,600 people spread between Michigan, Ohio, and Maine. The growth has been phenomenal. And most importantly, once again, coming back to that defense industrial base, it is providing us more competition as it allows us a greater depth into the market.